Are you looking for a healthy puree for your 8 to 9 months old baby? Here it is, the carrots, the broccoli and the chicken puree. So healthy, easy to prepare, easy to digest and every other thing. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First thing here, you can see I have the broccoli, the carrot and the chicken fillet already set on my table. So you can see how this is looking, and that is why on this note I'm welcoming you back to Mom Essy recipes. It's been a while. Yes, I've been so occupied, but here I am back, hopefully to give you the best. So this my broccoli here is frozen, and I'll be doing what, putting that in hot water, but that will be after chopping it into little bits, as you can see. Of course, people, you can see that making baby's food is very easy, mostly when it is homemade. And now, people, after this process, I'm getting a bowl. I'll be putting my broccoli into this bowl, adding a little salt, adding boiled hot water, and I cover it and set that aside. This will be before chopping the carrots. Enjoy every part of this video as I leave you with this sound.
But we set you free. Sizzle and stir, come see what we made. In Mom Essy's kitchen, there's so much at stake. Mom Essy's kitchen, come gather around. Our flavors explode, and joy can be found. Local delight served up with a smile. And every bite, we're here all the while. Subscribe and stay, don't miss a beat. Mom Essy's kitchen is the place for a treat. Welcome to the kitchen, where we cook with love. Mom Essy cooking up magic like stars above. Spice and flavor dancing, feel the vibe so right. Enduring dishes shining every day and night.
Yes, just to alert you that this carrot has been scraped, cleaned, and I'm just going to chop and put that into the pot. As you can see, chop as you like, but make sure that it is cooked to tender before you blend. That is to tell you that we will be blending all of these veggies and the chicken at the end of the day. So here is the carrots in the pot, and I'll just be adding in the defrosted broccoli, and you can see how green, how beautiful this broccoli is looking. Do you know that all these are truly nutrition packed? Do you know that carrots can actually help your eyes? Also, it supports your heart, and also it reduces cholesterol. It helps a lot. And what do you think will be happening to your baby? Your baby will be eating so healthy. Do you know that broccoli also helps in digestion because it is high in fiber? And people, it will also help what? Your baby not to be what? Constipated. Talking about the chicken, you know it is high in protein, and you know the values of protein in the human system. So people, at the end of the day, your baby is eating what? So healthy and does not have any reason to complain. Now adding water and bring this to a boil. I just reached on my heat and I'm just showing you that. And of course, I'll be covering the pot and allow this to simmer, and after that, once it comes to a boil, I'll be checking the tenderness before I add in the chicken. Remember, this chicken has already been pre-cooked, and I'll just add it in, and after that, if I give it 2 minutes, then I'll bring it down, meaning that all of this has been cooked. Enjoy this video. So this is giving what I want, and I say like this video, also share to your friends and families, leave a resounding comment at the end, and in case you're new, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. Remember, I don't just make babies recipes, I also make family meals on my channel, so please check out all my videos. Of course, you don't know any video that can be of great help to you, so until you watch, you'll be able to understand. So check everything on my channel and stick here, go nowhere. And of course, this is ready, and we will just start our blending process. Yes, my baby is 9 months old, and of course, I would not lie to you, he didn't enjoy this, yes, but I started adding it to other fruit, to other cereals, and he started eating it. So I'm just giving you a tip in case you give this to your baby and he or she doesn't like it. Please make this adjustment and they will totally enjoy it. And at this point, you can see this is blending. And I am not intending to blend this to a total puree because my baby is already 9 months, meaning that he should not take something that is too smooth. He should learn to swallow something that is not so smooth. Did you understand this? Yes, of course. So in case you're confused, ask me a question in the comment section and I will also come back to respond to you. So this is what it is. We are blending this, but not to complete puree, so that the baby will understand how to swallow food, every other thing inclusive. Okay, so this is what it is. After this blending process, I will just show you how I pour that into my container and the one I was going to serve my baby as well. All is in this video, so keep watching, go nowhere.
Me, Mom, Essy's kitchen, where we set you free. Sizzle and stir, come see what we make. In Mom, Essy's kitchen, there's so much at stake. Mom, Essy's kitchen, come gather around. Our flavors explode, and joy can be found. Local delight served up with a smile. And every bite, we're here all the while. So subscribe and stay. Don't miss a beat. Mom, Essy's kitchen is the place for a treat.
I blended 2 batches, and that is just the end of this recipe. That was where I drew the cutting, and I'll show you the one I served my baby in a bowl. You can see how that is looking, not really pureed, but it was good for baby's digestion. Look at it, people. So thanks for watching up to this time, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye bye.
Mom, Essy's kitchen.